how to adjust the auto lock screen timeout period on iPhone 14 or iPhone 14 Pro. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. The screen timeout period is the amount of time your screen can stay idle without turning off. In order to adjust that, launch the Settings application on your device. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Here you will see the option for Auto Lock. Tap on that. The default for iPhone is 30 seconds, but you can change it from 1 minute to 5 minutes or also set it as never, meaning your screen will never auto lock. You can go ahead and select whichever time you think is best suited for you, and this is how you can adjust the auto lock screen time period on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.